Just a quick video here for some Kidde carbon monoxide detectors. These were in the house when we purchased it, and I've since put in a fully wired system in the home and had these in the basement. I started hearing some chirping today, and I'm like, well, what the heck is that? I kind of forgot that they were around. So the two beeps is telling you it's end of life, and then it also says end of life on the display. So to disable it, what you're going to do is push in these 4 tabs and then pull the electronics out. Then there's a switch that you're going to push to discharge to kill the battery, and then you can throw it away. It's kind of unfortunate that that's what they want you to do, is just throw them away. You could cut the battery off if you want, which is what I'm going to be doing, and putting that in my battery recycling pile. So we'll see if we can quickly do this. So that's what you're going to see when you look inside of it. And then you roll it over. There's an off switch and a discharge switch. So we're just going to discharge it to kill the battery. Then for how long did it last? Right around 10 years. So it was manufactured 2014 8/12, and this one here as well, and it's March 1st 2025, and it started beeping. So that's a pretty reliable service. Some stuff that Kidde has made in the past is total junk, but this is okay. It got through to the end of its expected lifespan. So I just wanted to show you quickly how to disable these things to dispose of them properly. So thanks for watching.